Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 47. And among all yogis, he who, full of faith, with the inner self merged in me, worships me, is according to me the most devout.
Chapter 6, Shloka 47. Yoginam api sarvesham madgatenantaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yomam same yuktatamo matah.
Chapter 6, Shloka 47. Among all spiritual practices, the self-denial, study of scriptures, rituals, etc., meditation is the noblest. Who is the greatest meditator among different meditators? Contemplating on different points is now explained. Meditation involves the effort on the part of the meditator to fix the mind to a particular object of contemplation. The art of meditation can be classified according to the point of contemplation and the ways adapted to stop the mind from its roaming. The different meditators can be classified according to their points of contemplation, which can be listed as a symbol on the God principle with a form, on the teacher, on some chosen scriptural text, or on any great element. Of all these meditators, Lord says that he who, full of faith, with his inner self, mind and intellect merged in the self, and with Shraddha devotes himself to the self, is the most firm and steadfast meditator. The essence of meditation is not here to integrate the mind, but to sublimate and merge the inner equipment in the experience of the self. All out seeking of the self with total faith is the final requirement for the experience of the self. It is an attempt of the ego to pour itself out in devoted dedication towards the principle of reality. One who does this is belonging to the highest type of meditation, says the Lord. Om Tat Sat. Learn more in the next chapter, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.